Sometimes the Chrome Web Store takes a while to update extensions. It can take days from when a new version of ReadVox is released until your browser pulls it automatically. Luckily, there is a way to force update ReadVox and get the latest features and bug fixes as soon as possible. Here's how. Open your browser's extensions page. You can do this by typing chrome://extensions in the address bar or by clicking on the link in the description below. Activate the developer mode by toggling the switch in the top right corner. You will see new buttons appear at the top of the page. Click on the Update button. This will prompt your browser to fetch the latest updated versions of extensions from the Chrome Web Store. You'll see an Extensions Updated pop-up, notifying you that the latest versions are applied. That's it. You're now up to date and can enjoy the latest features and bug fixes of the ReadVox text-to-speech extension. To be honest, you won't need this 99% of the time as all updates will happen automatically, but it's good to know how to nudge your browser to act faster when you need it. Happy listening.
Offering an unparalleled listening experience that caters to your every need. Trained on a vast array of real human narrators, ReadVox does not just read out text, it breathes life into words, wrapping you in the comfort and familiarity of genuine human speech. Imagine the depth of stories, the clarity of articles, and the precision of documents, all delivered with the intonations, speech patterns, tones,